Did you know that in 2006, U.S. data centers used 60 billion kilowatts of electricity? That's 1.5% of the total U.S. electricity consumption. And the appetite for energy in the data center is on the rise. The EPA expects consumption to almost double in the next 5 years. As the need increases, data centers become vulnerable. It's projected that 90% of all companies over the next 5 years will experience power failures. While energy costs are skyrocketing, environmental responsibility is a growing concern. Industries across the world are realizing that the need to be environmentally responsible is no longer an option. It's a business necessity. Recently, Fortune magazine acknowledged HP as one of the 10 green giants, companies that have done more than what the law requires toward environmental responsibility. HP was actually the only IT vendor to make the cut. We make it easy for you to be energy efficient and environmentally responsible with optimized data center power and cooling solutions. We have a holistic approach, starting with the chipset inside our servers, all the way up to the chiller that cools the data center and everything in between. With innovative power-smart components, we get more out of every watt consumed. For example, our low-power processors and small form-factor SAS drives consume half the power of similar products. Energy-optimized HP ProLiant servers and HP Blade systems can cut power costs up to 25%. Virtualization can make the largest impact, saving up to 70% of the energy required to power your servers. Power capping allows up to 40% more servers in the same power envelope. Power Regulator saves up to 10% of cooling and 10% of power costs. The HP Dynamic Smart Cooling is the first of its kind, automating cooling systems and optimizing thermal data center impact in real time, saving up to 40% in cooling costs. We complete our power and cooling offerings with HP Services that conduct data center assessments, site planning, relocation, and thermal assessment services to help you design an energy-efficient data center. Just imagine if the world used HP power and cooling saving solutions. Globally, we'd save up to $4.3 billion per year on data center power consumption. We'd cut enough carbon emissions in the United States equal to taking 5 million cars off the road. And we'd mitigate Asia's growing energy demands. It's time to take action. Everyone can do their part, because being environmentally conscious is no longer an option. It's our responsibility. Start in your data center, chip to chiller. Visit hp.com/go/power and cooling to learn how to turn that vision into reality.